4B in our linear data unit is talking about causation. The TEK says that students are expected to compare and contrast association and causation in real-world problems. Students struggle with this concept sometimes because the word causation is a big word. But if I scribble this last part out, it's misspelled, but what do you see there? Cause. What usually comes after cause? Effect. What we're talking about here is cause and effect relationships in data, whether or not it makes logical sense for one of these variables to cause the other one to happen. So again, association is any correlation at all. Any data can have an association, positive, negative, or none. We can measure things that really have no business being measured together, creating associations. Or we can talk about causation effects, cause and effect relationships, or associations where the X value causes the Y value to happen, and we can measure that. This is a more valid use of data to know that the data I'm measuring causes the outputs, inputs cause outputs, not just that they're related in some way. This is better stats, better data taken. So what we might see is questions like this. Which situation does not show causation? This is a naughty question because it's looking for not. Okay, letter A says when student population at a school increases, the number of teachers at the school increases. Does the number of students who go to a certain school cause us to need more teachers? Yeah, that's a causation to me. The X causes the Y. Does the amount of sugar in a quart of apple juice is reduced cause fewer calories in each serving? Yes, sugar is a main source of calories, so if we have reduced sugar, we have fewer calories. Causation. When there are more workers on a project, the project is completed in less time. Generally speaking, this is true. The more people who are working on a project, the less time it takes to do it. It's a cause and effect relationship. The last one says when there is more protein in an athlete's diet, the athlete scores more points in a game. No, not necessarily. They may, but there is no causation between the amount of protein in their diet and the points they score. There's no causation there. This is just simply an association. So this is what we're looking for as a naughty question. There is not a causation relationship between protein and number of points scored. We empower, we impact, we love. We are Skeeter Nation.